Greetings and salutation. Yeah, you know it's your favorite farmer man right now, the Crocus Bag Farmer. Just want to take a moment, show you an example of my white yams that I am farming in South Florida currently. Yes, this is a beautiful, beautiful patch of white yams. And one of the reasons why I'm showing you this, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted you to see how easy it is to actually transplant white yam. And it's something that I personally do down here in South Florida at times. And it's so easy. Right now is the springtime, as you see. They're beautifully springing right now. Yes, coming up. And I'm going to transplant a couple of them over by my brother Ross' house. So I just thought I would just take a moment to show you. This is my yam bed coming up. You notice here down in South Florida, I do have a ram goat dash lamb coming up, but that's not what it's about right now. Yes, ram goat dash lamb. Yeah. So I'm talking about the white yam here. I'm transplanting the white yam, and I'm going to harvest a couple of the seeds and show you exactly how to transfer the yam breed. Here is one vine right here running from a seed, right? Now, this seed right here seems to probably have fell there for a while now. As you see how it actually start growing ahead. So it already start putting on food. See? Whenever you see the vines that big, it's putting on food. I don't want to move that one right there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put up this vine on the fence right here for now. At least when I come back. That wasn't a good one, but what I'm going to look for some yam seeds around the yard right here, because I have many growing. Let me give you a good shot right here. These are the yams that are growing right here off the ackee tree. Yeah. And I see a few of them coming up, all over the place. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, transplant some. So bear with me a moment. I'm going to pull up some right now, show you the seed. Yeah. Let me let you see how I look. Greetings in the name of the Most High. You know it's your favorite Crocus Bag Farmer. Your farmer man, farming from morning straight to the evening. I'm here in my backyard right here at the side. As you see, some beautiful, beautiful white yams. Yes, they are matriculating themselves up the side of the fence, getting up to the ackee tree. So today I wanted to just show and share my experience here, how I transplant white yam, specifically here in South Florida, because the yams are above and they have fallen. Let me see if I can get a seed right here. Yeah. Okay, here is a perfect example. This is a yam seed, right? And it's pushing out beautiful, beautiful roots, and it's a vine-like plant, as you see. I wonder if I could get this one off. I'll show you the entire, the process of it is a whisk-like kind of vine, and it actually grows the food in the earth. Okay, here we go. And here's an example right here of my yam vine. And what I do, I just put a stick, and it runs up the stick and goes straight up the tree. Yes, for some reason these yams are so resourceful of finding ways to climb, because they need to climb. And here's a little baby yam right here. This is the seed of the yam. Look at those beautiful, beautiful roots. Those roots are so properly spread. And here is the vine. It just grows, and then it pushes, that seed swells and becomes an actual piece of food in the ground. Here's another one. If I could get this one up here, I was scratching them away. As you see, I just throw the seeds in the ground underneath the trash, right? See if I could get this up. Here's another one I found, or maybe it's the same one. All I try to do is I try to just make sure I try not to break the vine, and I just get the roots, pull it all the way up like that. Here's a little yam seed that's starting to bust, starting to grow. So I'm gonna take the vine off here. Okay, I have a couple of them. Like I said, I'm gonna go around by my family here and see if I could gather up some strength over there, make a few. I thought I saw one in here too. See? And these are just coming back up. So I'm trying to get like the, what's up? I'm trying to get the new ones that are coming out. The ones that's been here for a while, they might be a little difficult to just pull up. I think this is one right here. Is this a new seed? Wow, look at this yam seed here. Swelling, huh? Yeah. Yeah. So all I do is I throw them under the trash and watch them grow. Here's another one. But they're growing under the trash pretty well, so I don't even want to mess with them. Yeah. Well, I think I have enough. I was looking to see if I see any seeds around here. These are already twisting up. Here I have my little aloe vera plant. My neighbor came and conveniently threw their stuff on it. So I'm hoping now, in the future, I'll be able to show you some more out of this garden here. I thought I saw one growing up, yes, in there, but I'm gonna let that go. But ladies and gentlemen, this is my little garden here in Fort Lauderdale at the side of my house. I have sugar canes. You see I have a beautiful sugar cane right here. Yeah, tulips that I run upon it. And I've transplanted some recently. Mango tree, coconut tree, ackee tree, pine tree. And this right here is a special tree, special root tree right here. If you could, this is a nerve bush, good for you, good for you. Yes, as you see, you can note this tree by these identifiers, the leaves, the blossom. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the famous guinea hen. Yes, this is the famous guinea hen, ladies and gentlemen, and it's flourishing beautifully. Flourishing beautifully. Yes, flourishing beautifully. I don't think it's draining properly though, but I'm gonna have to put some different. I'm gonna have to chop a hole in the bucket. I'm gonna turn the part that's seeding around so I can see if I can catch some of the seeds in my garden. But that's guinea hen right there, ladies and gentlemen. Guinea hen. You could identify it by the blossoms. And of course my beautiful mango tree is coming along. Oh, that's underneath, huh? Good job. This one is in the pot that's growing. I'm gonna try to get this one out of the pot. Oh, yeah. This one was well rooted, ladies and gentlemen. This one was well rooted. Look at that. Spreading roots like it's not going anywhere. So you only have a few seeds, you know. I'm just gonna make one hill when I transplant them. This one is powerful. That's all I can say. This one is powerful. Look at this. This is a perfect seedling. Yes, powerful. It's coming like you're going to get a lot of yam off of this one. Powerful. So I don't want to leave them, let them die too long. So I'm gonna pot them up, bring them over by my brother. Here's another one that's growing. It's in the pot also, which makes it pretty easy to retrieve. At least I think so. See, here's a seed. I'm trying to get it without breaking off. Look like it's gonna be tough. It's tied up around the pear tree right here. Yeah, I lost it. The vine, I should have just left it. Well, the vine is still there. I have the seed, hopefully. Yeah, the vine do something. Yeah, hopefully the vine do something. But I doubt it. I got it wrapped up around this tree right here. And I try to unwrap them when I can, because they tend to suffocate the plants, at least the smaller plants. Try to get them to run up on the fence, because the yams love to run. Yeah, they love to run up and down. So whenever I can, I try to relieve them of the plants. Yeah, unfortunately, I lost that one. So, and I'm thinking, wow, that's a strong root structure, bro. Wow, disturbed the pear tree. I'm gonna pull this pear tree out of here too, you know. Yeah, I think it's too much in there. As you see, I got little potatoes coming up here, so it's that time of the year I'm gonna have to clean this up. So check back with me. I'll show you how I clean it up. This right here, beautiful white yam leaf. My gosh, look how it's championing up the ackee tree. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and go transplant these. So stick with me, all right? Bless.